Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Tesla, which is consolidating and not correcting. Okay, so some people talk about correction, but if you are looking at the current price action in the last couple of months, what you can see is the stock of Tesla has been consolidating and it is not a correction. The only thing which nobody knows about is the time or the duration which this particular stock is going to hold, or is going to take for this uh, consolidation to get completed. We don't know about that, about the timing, but what we do know is this is not a correction and a consolidation. This is not so looking at that, as you can see, let me just draw the range inside which the stock is consolidating. Okay, so this is the support, this is the support, this is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance. Okay, here you have now, and this one followed by this one and followed by this one. So as you can see, there are very small levels or very small proportion of movements which you can see in this particular stock, inside which you can see these kind of movements in the current trend. Okay, and one more level will be like this. Okay, but this is no doubt is a consolidation. So let me just talk about the consolidation. So you have your first support at 398. Okay, followed by your next support at $380. Then you have a 369, followed by 355. If it falls below 355, then there is a big drop which will lead the stock towards 330, and below 330 it can go to as low as 282. So these are the support or the most important levels which one need to know about. First, second, as you can see, the levels are so close to each other in the short term that you may feel it as a correction, but if you just extend the trend a bit for a couple of months or couple of weeks, you will see that these are just minute levels inside which the stock is actually consolidating. Okay, and the correction will accentuate beyond a certain level or below certain support level breaks. For the time being, if 398 holds, okay, 398 holds, then you will have your next target or resistance, and it will be in between 454 and 463, and you will have your big target or big resistance at 501 or $500 on the upside. So we are not going to go beyond this range for the time being, because the simple reason is the stock has been consolidating. Okay, let the consolidation gets corrected. So for that, either it needs to fall below 330 so that we have a deep correction till 282, then we will again probably look at the upside, or let the stock, because it is holding above 398, if this level holds, then let the stock moves and sustain above 501 or 502 or $510. Then only we are going to say that now the consolidation range has been over. For the time being, it's inside the range, and I have explained you the levels. And looking at the current trend, it looks like it is holding the support. If it doesn't hold the current support of 398, I have already explained you the below support levels. On the upside, I have explained you the target and resistance. Stay within the trend and place your trades accordingly, and let the price decide, and we will take the rally forward from there. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.